Here's a double stack train at Marshall Avenue here in Dorval, headed eastbound. It's about 5:15 p.m. Actually, no, it's 5:30 p.m. May 9th, 2021. This is the train actually I was waiting for at Fairway Street. I don't know if that was going to go into the yard or not. There. Seems to be going a little fast for that. Probably end up going through the same loop. So here the siding in front of me here goes to the Dorval plant. I think it's right here behind me, here in Dorval. I do have a video in the playlist for short trains of switchers coming in here and switching this plant. Comes the DPU. So it's an AC 4400 CWM. So if the merger goes through with KCS, I wonder what the paint scheme is going to look like. If they're going to keep the regular beaver shield, or if they're going to make it some kind of agglomeration between Kansas City Southern's Southern Bell scheme and the CP Rail or Canadian Pacific Beaver. Hard for me to choose which one I would like them to keep if they're going to keep one of them. Really hope they do not just put 5 letters together and call it CP KCS, because that's just a cop-out. Anyways, that's too long for the ticker name on Wall Street anyways. So you have to keep it to like 3 letters. Like CPS, Canadian Pacific Southern, or something like that. There we are with some mixed freight. Coil steel cars with the hoods. Oh, beautiful. That is cool. Just what I wanted to see. Awesome. There's a Toronto Transit Commission streetcar. Oh, a bunch of them. That's awesome. 2 of them coming in though. That means it's pretty bad for Toronto. That means those are headed to Pocotierre in Quebec, which is kind of far away, to the ex-Bombardier plant. I guess that's Alstom now that owns it. Those are telephone poles, I guess. So quite an interesting train, actually. Was not expecting that. Here at Marshall Avenue. So I'm guessing this will go into St. Luke Yard. I can't see those TTC cars going into the Lachine industrial area. Anyways, I was there. The tracks are full. They have auto racks and some stack cars waiting to probably come out later on this evening. Quite a beautiful surprise. Auto racks, here we are. Can't be a train without auto racks, eh? So here it is, it's slowed right down, huh? Is it going into that Lachine Industrial Park? And usually this is the train, I guess, that comes at around 4:20 p.m. But here it is 5:30. So it's like an hour later. I couldn't stay over there. What do we got going on over here? Sounded kind of like another DPU or something. A lot of these Gons. DMNE, Dakota, Minnesota, and Eastern, a very old subsidiary of Canadian Pacific. There's an old CP rail. Has not been CP rail in what, 25 years? In the back there is the Highway 20 wraps that go to the airport. And here's the last car. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. And here's how I got here, by bike. There's Marshall Avenue.